If you want more realistic and professional-sounding voiceovers, here's how to use ElevenLabs voice models inside Artlist AI. First, open Artlist AI and go to the AI toolkit. Next, select VoiceOver from the available AI tools. Open the voice catalog and look for the model filter. Here, you can choose between 11v3 and 11 multilingual v2, both powered by ElevenLabs technology. Choose 11v3 if you want more expressive and emotional voice delivery for storytelling, ads, or character-based content. Choose 11 multilingual v2 if you need smooth and consistent narration for tutorials, explainers, or podcasts. After selecting a voice, type or paste your script into the text box. You can then adjust settings such as speed, emotion, or voice effects before generating the voiceover. Finally, click Generate and wait for Artlist AI to create your voiceover. You have now learned how to use ElevenLabs voice models in Artlist AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.